Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma network error issues in 2026. If Figma is not loading, showing a network error, or failing to connect to servers, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or unstable connection is the most common cause of network errors in Figma. Next, refresh the page or restart the Figma desktop application. Temporary connection glitches can often cause network errors. Now check if other websites are working properly. If everything is slow or not loading, the issue may be with your internet service provider. Next, disable VPN services, proxy settings, or firewall rules that may block Figma's connection to its servers. Now try switching to a different network, such as mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, to test connectivity. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Figma in a web browser. Corrupted data can interfere with network requests. Now try opening Figma in a different browser or incognito mode to rule out extension or browser-related issues. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it is updated to the latest version for better stability. Next, restart your router to refresh your internet connection and fix temporary network issues. Finally, wait a few minutes and try again, as Figma servers may sometimes experience temporary downtime or high traffic. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma network error issues. Figma should now connect properly and load your files without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.